think it's just blown apart from too much power. No other real explanation.
We've been on an epic Outback trip. However, with epic trips comes epic maintenance.
Found the noise, suspected brake failure.
Suspected brakes on fire.
This episode camps in Alice Springs and we get started fixing these breakages. It wouldn't be a trip without a diff rebuild. Mac is wrangling some King Chrome tools because we're at the King Chrome Care. Natural Habitat, wrangling tools for a diff rebuild.
Approached the local community of animals and I have found a punch and an oil correction device. Shed Life vlog in yet again another caravan park.
Now, it wouldn't be a trip without a broken diff in the 79.
That's horrible, isn't it? Alright, well, yeah, we're going on a trip. No worries, better pack the spare diff, hey?
Yeah, where's the next trip?
Oh, just the Woolies.
Oh, throw in the spare rear then.
Yeah, so spare rear diff in, we go Woolies.
Oh, here he is. I'll do a pulley, does it better.
Dude, that just suits you so well.
Yeah. 1979 model XR80 steel tank.
No way.
It's good. We're engine swapping and
Yeah, they're still.
Actually, he's got a way worse than
The
you.
funniest part is, I thought they had a spare engine coming. They had a whole buggy that they have to pull the engine out of to put into the other buggy.
How are
to
you
race.
even
it gets better.
What?
So my wife's bringing a really important tool so that we can separate the clutch off the engine. So at the moment we've pulled the whole engine out with the clutch and the gearbox assembly.
I feel infinitely better about what I have to do.
In between all that, we can squeeze in this diff swap too. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, have you got a whole bag of
Do I have a whole bag of power tools?
Hell yeah.
Look, wait, here's a little tip for you guys. If you're gonna bring your grinding
Is
discs.
that a custom grinding disc?
Nah, just stack like 3 or 4 of them so they're stronger, so that when you're in your bag they don't snap.
Oh, that's a sick idea.
Yeah.
Tools ready, mate. I'm ready to get under there. So you stand back and I'll sort it out. Oh, that's...
Oh, I'll just do it. With brake caliper number 1, number 2, pads, and either this rattle gun's really strong, or they were not that tight.
I bought one for the other side as well. I thought, while I'm at it, a couple of freshies.
Almost rude not to. One drink for me.
It gets better.
Yeah,
Dude, this
we're
is
on.
hard fish.
It's like Cooley's already out of wind, so he's just completely changed out the brake. What are you doing now? Just bleeding?
I'm actually just taking a video, but yeah, I just bled up the brakes, just having a final check over.
Yeah, she's slap her on the back. She's good.
Slap her on the
That
back.
ain't going nowhere.
Should be right.
Something tells me there's some metal in there.
Have you got some oil on your metal?
You guys may remember Mac found this lying in the middle of the Simpson desert.
What is the chances?
You got a video
Good
of us
shit.
picking that up, didn't you?
Out of space, war utensil.
Man, I stood on the other side of the creek, it was going on dark, and I was like, will I walk the creek? And I was like, I don't know what it's worth, but I was like, what if it's not on the other side?
She's out.
Bolts are still there, the nut's still locked, everything's still tight. You can see that gap there. That's like blue to the side, which is why it's got all this play in it. Well, that's probably why it's shore all the teeth off, but it's probably just smashed the teeth and then maybe they've got jammed in there and it's had that much pressure that it's bent that out. Or whether it just bent that out first, but I don't think it would. All the bolts are still tight. I think it's just blown apart from too much power. No other real explanation.
Anyone missing teeth?
Oh, well.
Got a few here if you need any. Old toothless diff strikes again.
Either way.
Either way,
She's
Jake from Tuneworks was able to find Macca a new diff center. However, it's a 3:9 ratio, which is the factory ratio.
Has arrived. I'm so excited.
Woohoo! Mac's usual ratio of 4:8 means he's now stuck in 2-wheel drive only.
I just can't hide it. I'm about to put a diff in and I think I like it. Gaskets, hub seals, everything. I don't think I've ever used a gasket once in my life. So this is out of a 30,000 kilometre old Landcruiser. So we're not going to have a locker, but that's okay, because we'll have two-wheel drive when we can get home. This is the best way to do it, is get it on your chest and bench press it. The problem with the youth of today, they haven't bench pressed a gearbox or a diff on the ground in a caravan park before, and it shows. Don't you know, pump it up.
It's too much noise, I can't hear which one it is.
Everyone shut up.
It's got bearing on the front of the motor, but I've pulled it all apart to spin them to hear it, and I can't hear it. Oh, go on, bro. Yeah.
Holy crap. Yeah.
What a job.
Yeah, $12 an hour, right?
Oh, a bit steep.
Back her up, boys, we're done. Let's hit the road, Marco. Like, it's so quiet, smooth, there's no chunking coming in from anything. I haven't tried full drive, because that would be a really bad idea. Look, I'm just happy to be back on the road, mate. It's not trapped, so we're going to the pub to celebrate, get a big steak or something. The Hilux is in the NT. Oh, we're so taking it for a rip. I'm so happy about this situation. 1KD, baby, do you hear that start?
Out of nowhere, the LN has turned up untested, so for the next couple of days, testing commences.
You guys are gonna be so happy. So happy.
Look what has turned up. We did not plan this, but the LN has arrived. We were supposed to go to a private property, but did not make it. The Big Dog Build guys who had it on a truck are camping at the same place we are.
What are the bloody odds of that? Big thanks Dino and Cam from Big Dog Builds.
Driving around the whole country.
Yeah, for driving around the country. We thought it was going to be for no reason, but it ended up they're camping here as well. So we were supposed to be, unfortunately we didn't make it. We're supposed to go out to some private property with the Big Dog's crew.
The next couple of days we're going to drive it around Alice and
we're going to go do skids. I mean, we're going to go drive the LN around.
The only testing it's had was Mac drove it home from Dino and then I drove it to the truck. So
she's gravy.
Like 10 minutes of testing and we're in Alice Springs. Yeah, so yeah, anyway, I'll try.
What could go wrong?
What could go wrong?
Possibly go wrong?
We'll see how it goes. So look at this, guys. It literally has been on a truck, hasn't driven anywhere, and look how dirty the red dirt is all over it.
How it's meant to be. How every LN should look. Yeah. Come check out the engine bay. That sounds good.
Yeah, well.
Now you've probably already seen it.
There has been a reveal video. But
there has been a reveal.
This is actually filmed before the reveal video, guys. So.
Yeah. So look, if it's dirty in the reveal video, it is what it is. It's not what it's not, and tomorrow is a new day.
How bloody cool, guys.
I love this thing.
I love the Raceworks beanie.
I may have already asked this in the last episode that's not filmed yet, but what colour scheme or colours should we do the engine bay? So we can coat the turbo housing, the piping, the cover,
Even
the intake.
reservoirs and stuff.
Oh, I don't know if we can do the intake actually. The reservoirs, the airbox.
Yeah, I reckon maybe that red colour that it was. That was psycho.
You liked the red, didn't you?
Yeah, it looks,
Well,
it
the
was
cap's,
red there.
the cap's
Look.
already red. It's already got a bit of red going on.
Snow in the comments. Should I just leave it like this? Badass race spec.
It looks a bit like a tin can spaceship to me at the moment.
Yeah,
so I think I
there's
like
what's going on.
really like the chrome Phoenix radiator. That's going to stay because that looks really cool. It's nicely polished. What do you reckon? Green, tan, black, red, blue.
All right, guys, I reckon this red.
There's a lot of cooling right here, so do not crash into a kangaroo, TJ.
That was the first thing. As soon as I saw this, even before the grill was on, I was like, holy heck. How am I going to fix that if something happens? So tonight is scrutineering. So that's where all the race cars get scrutineered, basically, each team. We're going to go check it out too with the King Chrome team. They've just done an engine swap.
Just got the engine.
They make us, like, I thought what we do was stressful, but this is another level.
They are literally just finishing putting an engine into a buggy and going scrutineering. What could go wrong? And then racing.
Like, it hasn't even run yet.
Nah.
And it's going in a race.
Yeah, and it's supposed to be at scrutineering an hour ago. Oh, you're in a jar. I'll just have a beer then, eh? Easy, mate.
Oh, are you coming to help, Tang?
Yeah, help.
Help is what I'm going to do.
You're not defeated, are you?
Oh, is that a can?
I'm going better now.
Liquid motivation.
I feel so motivated. Water pumps on there. Just got to put the rest of it back together.
Oh, you're not cold, mate.
He just had it.
What's cold mean? Never heard of it.
I was a little bit chilly. I'm planning for the future.
Yeah.
In about 2 hours, I reckon.
Time for us all to head down to scrutineering, and I'm definitely going to take the old Hilux for a bit of a spin. Oh, let's go, Troy. Let's go. Hey?
May as well just race this thing.
Yeah, we're on the track. Okay, now she's got some. Go!
I've wanted these boys to come to Fink for like 4 years now, and we finally made it.
We don't know what to do with them.
Big Aussie hands with the big Aussie racing car driver.
He's pumped anyway.
Dude, so excited. Yeah, it's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year.
It's your year. You've got it. I reckon first in class. What about overall?
Top 20.
In the meantime, are we getting on the pitch tonight?
We have to race. Alright, so we can't really drink. After, manage to catch up on the days that you have lost. But
Wait, come find me those days. If we're still here, we may be gone.
you're not going.
All right, we're staying.
Yeah, it looks great.
We are at scrutineering. This is where all the race cars line up, and you get to walk around them. So tomorrow's the race.
No, tomorrow's prologue.
Prologue.
So prologue's qualifying, basically. It's fastest lap. You get 1 lap. And that positions when they leave the race. It's very exciting. The cars are sick.
Basically, me and Mac have never been, so it's all new to us. But it's pretty cool. You can like walk up and touch the cars, basically.
I'm in off-road car heaven. I want to build a trophy truck.
So good. Scrutineering's a pretty cool event to attend the night before, but now it's time to head back to camp and get ready for Prologue, the event that's on tomorrow morning. Oh, third gear. Life of a cameraman.
My hands are freezing.
Bit of ice on your bag.
You wanted iced coffee, didn't you?
Right up there, mate.
Oh, dude, my hands are soaked. You should see the roof of the car, it's just ice.
So what you're saying is it's warm night.
Oh yeah, it was heaps warm last night. Didn't even have any clothes on at all because it was so warm.
TJ's hiding.
I left the tailgate open. Really down back from basically.
Cold.
What you find on the side of the road?
That's a bloody
RV locker.
Hey, Jess.
After collecting Mac's unsecured load, we headed trackside for the Prologue.
Oh, you missed Jacko.
What?
He was on it.
I said 9:30.
No, Eden's probably out now. And Trevor and all the big boys are yet to come, but Jacko's gone past. I think he's P2 at the moment, so.
Sweet.
Right, yeah. Buddy, missed it on my phone. Sorry, Eden. That was Eden.
Prologue is the day before the main event, and whatever place you get here determines your starting position tomorrow in the race. So, the better your position, the earlier you leave.
We've even got King Chrome's sunny colour.
I know, right? Donut from the bakery in Alice Springs. It's freaking amazing. It's got this like caramel hard top with custard.
Race cars and donuts, mate.
Race cars and donuts, what more could a man want? Sorry for interrupting this episode, guys, but some of you crazy cats have already entered to win this 79 Series Landcruiser, and it's not even finished yet. It's starting to look good now. This is a lot more my taste, but next episode, it's going to get even spicier. Well, I'm not in the driver's seat because this is going to be one of your guys' cars. Don't forget, any shirt, any pants, anything off the website gets you in the draw to win this bad boy. www.shedlife.co.
Can't really see with this lens like where you are.
It's on my Outback Series 10.
Yeah. Not as comfortable on top, eh?
Don't tell the Colonel.
Don't tell him.
With the opposition. Oh, it's a whole burger.
He knows he doesn't do brekkie, mate.
Oh, it's a Paulie special.
Good job. Did you already go?
I passed to some Otenga boys.
Oh, you come first or what? You actually?
So cool. Ah, just showing off me dong.
Oh, fuck yeah. That's a bit of kid.
He's not wasting his weekends, is he?
Certainly not. It's a Saturday. We're out on the track, mate. Next episode, we are camping at the Fink Desert Race. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out.
No, I didn't go easy, did he? He didn't.